you're looking for a beautiful cigar humidifier, here it is. So you control the temperature, turn off the light here, up or down. It has a wood shelf, and this wood smells amazing. And here's a drawer, and the drawer has a little thermostat right there, and it has this little dish where you put water in it so it could keep your cigars moist. You add a sponge at the bottom. So let's set it up. So here's the moisture container. So I added water and a sponge, and the ideal temperature is supposed to be between 64 and 74. So if you move it, you can see where it's at or where you want it to be, and then it'll go back to the temperature that it's at. So once it gets to the temperature that I want it, I'll go ahead and add this in there and put my cigars in there. So this cigar, I had it sitting on the shelf for a while in the plastic, so it's kind of dried up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this humidifier to the test and put this one in there. Here's a better look at the cigar. You can see it's kind of dried out. I added the moisture container. My temperature is at 73, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my cigar now. Place my cigar in there. There's the moisture container, the temperature, and it's at 72 right now. The ideal temperature for the hygrometer is between 65 and 70, but if you want to remember something simple, you go by the 70 by 70 rule. We have the temperature at 70 and the humidity at 65. So that's perfect. You can smell it. And you could feel the difference. Wow. The temperature is at 70 and the humidity is at 70 also. This thing smells really good. The cigar feels cool to the touch. And time to enjoy. Doesn't feel dry anymore. It smells delicious. And it's yeah, time to enjoy. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm gonna enjoy this.